Hey, welcome to the Language Exchange channel. In this lesson, we'll talk about breakfast around the world. Let's get started. First of all, you see some vocabulary about breakfast. Listen and repeat all the words after me. Pancakes with maple syrup. Fruit. Scrambled eggs. Bagel and cream cheese. Waffle. Tea. Orange juice, coffee, granola, yogurt, bread. Now let's get to practice. What do you usually have for breakfast? Think about all the items you usually have for breakfast and take notes and try to pronounce all the items, making a sentence. For example, I'll talk about myself. I usually have bread and cheese and orange juice for breakfast. Sometimes I have some fruit with granola. I don't like scrambled eggs. I don't have tea for breakfast. I usually have some tea in the afternoon or at night. Think of your own examples and create your own sentences. Practice makes better. If the video was useful for you, please subscribe and watch the other videos for more. Thanks for watching. See you soon!